Welcome, hi guys. I'm with Florencia.
My name is Florencia, and Vanessa's here too.
So guys,
Vanessa doesn't want to say her name because she's dumb.
I know she's nervous. So today we're gonna go play Subway Surfer. I'll go first and then Florencia. So let's start.
Hi, jump.
So whoever dies, if I die, it's Florencia's turn. And
Whoever dies, it's dumb.
Oh my gosh, that's just hard.
Yeah.
I know, right? This is getting hard, this game.
You're gonna be dumb.
Guys, I'm not the YouTuber. Vanessa and Florencia are the YouTuber, but Vanessa, I don't know what she's doing. She's nervous.
No, she's not nervous. She doesn't want to.
Vanessa doesn't want to do
The thing is play because she's scared. She loses and then she will be dumb.
Yeah, people will call her dumbass. It's much better if you play. Let me get a skateboard. So when we die, but Vanessa's happy and now she's gonna play.
I'm gonna go swim and then I'll come if Christopher is die and then he's dumb. Okay, I will go swim with Vanessa. I'm just gonna go swim and then I come.
Okay, so guys, I'm here in my skateboard. I'm here. And oh shit, you guys saw that? I'm right here. Oh, at least I have a key. Oh my god, I have a key. Okay, guys, it's Florencia.
Now we're back.
Well, you wanna play, Florencia? Have a turn.
Oh, did you die?
Yes, I died. So now your turn,
So now
Florencia.
you're dumb?
No. So guys, now we're getting a mystery box, and now Florencia is playing, not me no more.
Because
My
I'm
name
the champion playing.
Okay, my name is Christopher. Just told you, okay?
Yeah, I know him. He's dumb too.
No, she's dumb. Florencia's dumb. So now we're gonna.
Okay, hey guys, we're gonna play this.
Oh, that's just a video. We have to wait. Just wait. I like that one. Oh yeah. Okay, we go back. Starting back to the game.
Okay, he got skateboard.
Skateboard.
Oh
my gosh.
Oh my god, that. I just want to play. You go.
Okay.
Sideways.
Yep. Oh my gosh, she's not gonna lose.
No, I'm
Who
not.
thinks she's gonna lose? I don't think.
I don't think so.
But I
She's
think
so dumb.
she's so dumb, guys. She's don't tell nobody. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! He pushed me and then I lose. I'm gonna tell you a secret, guys. He's so dumb and me and everybody's so dumb.
And guys, she's so annoying. She's super annoying.
Yeah, he is.
She is.
Now my turn.
Okay, now Doggy's girl's turn, but Vanessa.
I don't care if I'm my way. Everybody says that.
What are those?
Yes.
I don't think so that she's gonna die.
I do think so. Cause look it. Oh my god, oh my god.
Stop!
Oh, that wasn't me.
Guess what? What? Christopher pushed Vanessa and then she
I didn't fucking push her, you dumb asshole.
I'm gonna tell you a secret.
Hey, you guys said she's a liar.
Christopher pushed Vanessa and then she died. Oh, God.
Yes, I did. So what's the problem?
I'm rich. We're rich.
What the?
Oh my gosh.
Now we can see the video.
Oh my gosh, it got freeze. Let's go back to Subway, sir. Sir. Why is this loading? Oh my gosh. Okay, Vanessa, you can play. Now I'm just gonna play it again.
But don't do that again.
As we know.
Las Vegas.
And then wait.
Could have taken a video of us swimming again.
This is.
Please go.
Because I didn't record it.
Oh, ya, porque no enseñó la cosa.
Hey, Vanessa.
Can you bring a banana for Sally?
Do one second. Okay, guys, we're back here.
Okay, guys, I will do some omelet.
She's getting, you know, the other videos you guys must watch. There's some videos she's swimming and you know she swims a lot. I think. Oh my gosh. Okay, Vanessa, you can lay. Hey, Vanessa, come on. Vanessa's playing. Oh, Vanessa died. Too bad, too sad. Sorry. Vanessa's the worst player. Look,
You're
it's
the
2
one that
coins.
pushed me.
So now it's my turn.
You can want to push me.
Oh yeah.
Look for you.
I'm gonna do some cheat codes. I'm gonna do some cheat codes, but I have to because you pushed. So guys, yes, thank you and please subscribe. Bye.